Dad, 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 Dad. Dad. Get out of the way.
Let him be. Reload, get the other one. Reload and get the one on the left. That guy's done. Get this one. Well, there we go. How long did that take you, Eric?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. He limited out with 2 big birds. Dude. Wow. Pheasant hunting is like the greatest hunting, isn't it? And then we spooked one away. Oh my God. Well, how was your first youth hunting experience this year?
Amazing.
Yeah. That was crazy. Were they running or just standing there? Because I didn't see them.
They're standing there. I literally yelled at you. You kept on walking.
What?
They're literally, like if you were here and they were right there.
What?
And I saw it, and then you were just standing and they were sitting right there.
What the frick?
Like 3 feet away.
Oh man. Alright, well if you want to go youth pheasant hunting, Eric, which state should we go to? Ohio or Pennsylvania?
Pennsylvania.
Oh man, that's unbelievable.
He is right. 1, 2, 3.
Well, our hunt's done.
You want it? Sure. Let's see. This knife looks the sharpest. I think like right here.
Cut the tail off?
No.
Here, hold my thing.
Should I throw these in the...
Drove 1 hour and 15 minutes, hunted 10 minutes, processed 10 minutes. So in 40 minutes we're done with everything.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Good enough.
Let's see it.
Yep.
Nice. Later. Go hunting.